guys, today I'm going to show you how to make these 3 different types of wristbands. We've got our snap slapper, hopefully, we've got our slide band, and we've got a sweat band. Why am I making 3 different ones? Well, you might not like one of them, so you can make another one. Or you might like both of them. But either way, I'm making all 3 because I think that's cool, I think that's unique. But what you're going to need to make these is over here and here. What we have for our snap band, slap band, you need a tape measure, need some duct tape, some magnets, and some scissors. That's what you need for that one. For our slide band, you just need a piece of rope or a piece of cord, whatever you want, but make sure it's double the length of your wrist. And for our sweat band, all you're going to need is an old glove, some scissors. Simple as. You guys though can take as long as you want to make it. For me, I'm going to make 3 sweat bands in 3 minutes. Ooh, let's get the timer started in 3, 2, 1. Let's do this. Alright, we are started. So, what I need to do is I need to start with my tape measure. And now you're going to have to start breaking it out of its mold. Start clicking it in and out. And once you've done that for a while, I've cheated, I've preloaded that for a bit. You also need it to be big enough to fit around your wrist. Alright, enough time talking about that. Once you've done that with your tape measure, you grab hold of your duct tape. Oh, don't get caught. Time is precious. Don't get caught on that. Here we go. Break off a piece. Longer than what you need. Place your tape measure in the middle. Push it down. Grab a magnet. Grab 2 magnets actually. Place one there at one end. Place the other at the other end. And then we just fold our tape over. One fold there. Push that down. We go to the other end. And we fold that over too. And we push that down. Bang, bang, bang. Now for our ends, they look really hideous at the moment. We just grab our scissors and we just round off our ends like that. Bang, where are we at? Oh, the time is halfway through and I'm still on the first one. Get rid of that. Now, you should just be able to slap it on. Doesn't want to slap sometimes. If you get the right tape measure, it will slap every time. Bang, done that one. Let's move on to our second one. Whew. So you get your rope. This is our slide band. That's this one right here. What we're going to do is we're going to tie a knot around the rope. So this is what's called a scaffolder's knot. You do 2 loops of it. Then you just tuck it through and tie it off on itself. Oh, I haven't tied it off on itself. I went the wrong way. Let me start again. We grab it around and we just tie a knot on itself. One side there. Get through the hole. There we go. One side there, and then we come around this other side and we tie a knot against itself on this side. Simple as. This is so cool. That is so simple to make. That is easy. Anyone with a piece of string, piece of rope can do that. Chuck it over your wrist and then just tighten it by doing the old bite. Wrong side. Bite and pull. That's all it is. The old bite and pull. I didn't tighten it, I loosened it. There we go. That's that one. And finally, with about 30 seconds left, you grab a garden glove, an old glove. These aren't old, these are brand new, but you can do whatever you want. Grab an old one, new one, and some scissors. Straight across like that. You can use old socks, but I don't like the idea of putting old socks around my wrist and then being all hot and sweaty and going, whoo! Doesn't sit well with me, so I don't want to do that, but I do want to put on my sweat band just like that. So, with 5 seconds to go, those are 3 sweat bands. Well, not 3 sweat bands, 3 wristbands done in 3 minutes. Woo! There's the timer. It's over. I've done it. Now the sweat band, woo! Need to dab myself down after that. Now the snap band, what I forgot to say in there that I really want to say, if you can get the right ruler, the right tape measure, it will actually act like a snap band and slap band and rock around your wrist. I couldn't quite get that right, but I still think that is pretty cool. I think that's awesome, and it's also a great reminder that when something is different to us, we should celebrate how unique it is. Alright, go ahead, make yourself one of those. I'll see you guys later.
Gained.